In this video, I'll be showing you how to use WinRAR to extract files. It's a very simple method. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might have downloaded something from like Google Drive or WeTransfer, anything like that. And the file was like this. It's a zip file. And basically what a zip file is basically a lot of different files in one folder. So all you want to do to extract this is you're going to need a application called WinRAR. So all you want to do is head on over to your browser of choice. So in this instance, we're going to be using Google Chrome. Then you just want to type in WinRAR and then just click on the first link that comes up. And then you don't actually have to buy WinRAR. You can just download it right there. Once you press download, run the installer, and then it's going to look something like this. So once you click on it, you can just X out of this and just completely ignore that. But you don't actually have to have this open. Just make sure that WinRAR is installed. So now once you've downloaded and installed WinRAR, all you want to do is go to your zip file of choice and then right click on it. And then you're going to see a lot of different options, but you're also going to see WinRAR right here. So you can extract files to the exact folder. You can extract here. So in my case, all the files would just go straight to the desktop. And then you can also extract files in a very specific place if you wanted to as well. So we're just going to extract to the folder itself, and it's just going to make a new folder. We're going to press that. It's done the process. And as you can see, it just made a new folder. We click on it and now it shows all the different files that were in that zip file. And now we can move them to wherever we want.